Hi guys, today I'll be telling you about the Ola cabs. So first of all, you should know who are the customers of Ola. The customers are divided into two segments. First are the customers who use their applications like city taxi, outstation or intercity taxi who want to hire a taxi on rentals, Ola corporate. So these are the people, they are the users of Ola. And the drivers, taxi service provider, like driver partners owing eligible cars who provides taxi service and earn through Ola platform. So these are the customer segments of Ola. And what are the propositions of Ola? What they are providing to their passengers and driver partners? I'll tell you. For passengers, they are providing a very affordable and lean prices to travel, high quality service and convenient rides, certified drivers, no criminal background, they check the background of each and every driver before they hire it, active customer support system, advanced booking, multiple stop facilities, hourly package of rental cabs and their express rides, zero wait time for on the select membership program of Ola, cashless rides, and in-cab entertainment with Ola Play. So these are the services for the passengers. And for driver, they are very flexible. They can choose their own working hours. By going online, they will when they are driving, they will go online and then they will get the booking from the customers. Access to more customers, instant booking, daily payments or weekly payments as they wish, 24 into 7 helpline support, lease cars and they will get free car maintenance if they lease a car from Ola, run and manage the fleet of cars. So these are the services for the drivers they are offering. And there is a very good customer relationship of Ola. Like, they are providing with the self service and they are providing lots of promotions offers for the customers. And the some channels of Ola are the self service, the portal which they are providing, the Ola application. You can use it in your iOS, Android, Windows, and and you can use the facilities of Ola cab. You can book a cab. That should be, you can choose from that application, like you want a bike, you want a micro cab, you want a mini cab, you want a prime sedan, a SUV, or prime play, luxury car, e-rickshaw. So you can get lots of options in that application. And social media, they are connected with social media. They also communicate the customers with social media by asking about the feedback, how they can improve. After every ride, a pop-up appears, like your trip has been ended, please rate our service. How can you give a feedback on how you like the ride. So you will get a feedback form which is making them really stronger. And what are the resources that Ola has? The resources that Ola has is technology, the brand reputation, employees in different fields like IT, sales, marketing, customer support, and business management, engaged community, and the driver partners. So these are the key resources of Ola, and they are working on each and every prospect. And the key partners of Ola are the car drivers, the car fleet owners, private taxi owners. There are some operational partners like the technology enablement partners such as GPS service provider, internet service provider, electronic or mobile wallet service provider, platform hosting companies, etc. So these are the operational partners. Some extended partners are event organizers, corporate association, auto and insurance companies, automotive maintenance companies, driving school or training institutes. So these are the partners of Ola. and on what they are using their cost. It's all I'm telling you about their business model. So the costing where they use their funds is on the platform cost, maintaining the application, new feature development, innovations in their platforms, sales and marketing, promotion and branding cost, discount offers and deals which they provide to us, partners and community events which they do, sponsorship which they take. The operational cost is their employee salaries, legal and accounting expenses, commission to drivers, infrastructure cost, web and hosting cost, insurance cost, credit card, mobile wallet processing cost, maintenance of leased vehicles, day-to-day office maintenance expenses, and the asset cost which they are using is on the phones and tablets they are giving to their drivers and computer equipments they are using in their offices. So these are the costing they have been incurred for their business. And now I'll be telling you how they earn money. Ola earn money through their trip commissions. Like when we make a booking, they will get 20% of the ride charges to the Ola. They'll charge 20% of the ride charges from the driver, what we'll pay. So by the trip commission, for every booking they'll charge 20% in India, and the commission basis is different for the different country. And second, they'll earn from the Ola Money. They are having an app, money wallet like Paytm and Freecharge wallet. So how Paytm and Freecharge wallet is earning, Ola Money earns in a same way by having like we can transfer the money from our credit card or UPI bank transfer to their Ola Money wallet, and we can pay it for our rides, and we can also pay it for different things like for ordering food, like every wallet can we use, like Amazon wallet, like Paytm wallet. So they are also having Ola Money wallet. So by this they are earning revenue. They have a in-cap promotion and advertising commission. They get advertising commission, the advertisement they show to the customers or their passengers. So from that advertisement they get commissions. They have a very good program, cab leasing program, in which they buy a cab on EMIs and then then lease it to their drivers by taking a commission on daily and weekly basis, and keeping some security amount as well. So this is how they are making money, and they are also generating their assets, because after some time the car will be there, and they will also generate daily and monthly income from the lease partner. And they are also having a Ola credit card. They have a tie-up with SBI, so they are introduced their credit card of Ola Money SBI card. So in that they are giving reward points to their customers and offering lots of benefits to their Ola customers. So by that they are generating revenues. By dealing with some corporate accounts, like they are doing business to business tie-ups with lots of companies who wants their employees to get drop and pick facilities from Ola. So they are trying to make lots of corporate accounts. And they have also done tie-up with some delivery food services like Food Panda, and they are also trying to make partnership with Swiggy and Uber Eats by being a delivery service provider with them. So they will deliver food as well from Ola by being their delivery provider. And the last one is through Ola Prime Play. So they have an option where their customers can listen to the music or watch videos or do some play some games. For entertainment service, they charge 20 or 30 rupees from Ola Prime Play. We can opt it when we are at the time we are riding. So by these all things, they are generating revenue. Thank you.